Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to learn basic English phrases to use at the gym. Whether you're working out, asking for help, or talking to a trainer, knowing how to speak English at the gym will help you feel more confident. Let's go over some useful phrases and vocabulary for the gym. Let's get started. If you're unsure how to use a machine or need help, here are some simple ways to ask. Excuse me, can you show me how to use this machine? How do I adjust the weights on this? Could you help me with this exercise? These phrases are useful for asking trainers or fellow gym-goers for guidance. If you need information about the gym services or facilities, use these phrases. Where are the lockers? Do you have any towels? Is there a water fountain around here? These questions will help you navigate the gym and find everything you need. If you're working with a personal trainer, here's how to ask for advice or instructions. Can you help me with my form? What exercises are best for losing weight? How many reps should I do for this exercise? These phrases will help you communicate with your trainer and get the most out of your workout. It's important to talk about your fitness goals so you can get advice. Here are some examples. I want to build muscle. I'm trying to lose weight and get in shape. I'd like to improve my stamina and endurance. These phrases help you explain your fitness goals clearly. If you want to know how long or difficult an exercise should be, ask, how long should I do cardio? Is this workout too difficult for beginners? How much weight should I lift as a beginner? These questions help you adjust your workout based on your level and goals. At the gym, it's common to motivate yourself and others. Here are some phrases to keep the energy up. You're doing great, keep it up. One more set, you've got this. I feel stronger after every workout. These phrases are perfect for staying motivated and supporting others in the gym. Asking for help with equipment. Can you show me how to use this machine? Asking about gym facilities. Where are the lockers? Talking to a trainer. Can you help me with my form? Describing your workout goals. I want to build muscle. Asking about duration or difficulty. How long should I do cardio? Encouraging others. You're doing great, keep it up. With these simple phrases, you'll be able to communicate confidently in English at the gym. Whether you're asking for help, talking to a trainer, or motivating others, these expressions will help you make the most of your workout. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!